What are you trying to do? Are you trying to put your seatbelt on? Yeah. You can't do what? Okay, mommy help. Let me see. This one has to go on this side. There you go. See, one on each side, and then you meet in the middle. See? Try to put it in the middle and watch your fingers when you do it. Here, honey. Can you see? Okay, now put it in. It's hard, huh? You almost got it. There you go. Watch your finger. Don't snap it when your finger is in there. Yeah, you almost got it. Almost. Keep trying. Oh, almost there. Keep trying. Oh, yeah. Now push it in good. You did it! Good job. Now the other one. You did it! Did you put your seatbelt on by yourself? What a good girl. Good job, Sienna. Are you proud? Are you happy that you did it by yourself?
Yeah.
You ready for dinner?
Yeah.